Financial recovery after the crash. After the global financial crash last week, the markets are trying to recover. Will there be more pain in the financial markets the coming days? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, Harley-Davidson Incorporated, EXPEDIA Group Incorporated, BITTENSOR, also known as Tau USDT, Crypto.com or Zero USDT, and Ethereum USDT. By the way, if you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to smash that subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. So, SUI went up 56%, HNT 34.2%, Tau went up 25%, Zero went up 14%, Akash Network 20.6%, Zcash went up 32.3%, Dockwifat 12.7%, Solana 9.1%, Ondo 9.7%, and some red numbers: LDO minus 18.1%, MakerDAO minus 11.8%, DOT minus 3%, Qcoin minus 7.5%, Internet Computer minus 6%. And from the weekly, I will change to the daily. Today's sentiment, as you can see, is red. Only a few green numbers. Fed is up 2.4, KCS 1.5, Leo 1.1. And overall, the red ones say minus 9.4, HNT minus 6.8, Notcoin minus 6.4, Bunk minus 4.2, Toncoin minus 5.9, NEAR minus 5.2, and from here I will go to CoinMarketCap. Currently we have a market cap of 2.12 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 89.34 billion, and the current fear and greed index is 56, which indicates neutral, almost in the greed zone again. And the top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Toncoin, Dogecoin, and Cardano. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall mixed sentiment, but the big ones in red: NVIDIA minus 2.35, Microsoft minus 0.6, Apple minus 1.65, Google minus 1.79, Amazon minus 0.57, Tesla minus 3.69, Intel minus 8.24, and what do we have more? United Health Group Incorporated minus 5.2, Pfizer minus 6.18, and a few green ones. Taiwan Semiconductors went up 11.52, Meta plus 6.07, ASML plus 6.33, Uber is up 16.19, Lilly 10.84, and from here I will go to the Bitcoin chart. I will start at the weekly. Current candle is green. It went all the way back to the start of the impulse and is back above 60,000 again, but it is at resistance. So just under this box, the top area, and about 6 hours and 26 minutes to close today's candle. Interesting what will happen. Okay, from the weekly I will change to the daily. On the daily you can see it. Here was the start of the impulse and it went even lower until here, 49,699. I will show last week's scenarios, and if you have watched last week's video or the week before, could have been in position. Both trades played out. The entry of 57,652, if I change to the 4 hour, then you can see it. Here it was first entry got filled, went up about 3%, enough to take profits. If you increase your stop loss, took some profits there, you already had some nice profits with the aggressive trade. And also the defensive trade also played out very nice. I told you last week the entry between 52 or 50.790. So if you played the defensive one, you could have had more than 20% profits. So congratulations, take some profits, increase your stop loss if you didn't do it yet. And for now, let me remove this scenario. This one played out, but is playable again. But then I would play it a little lower, somewhere around 56,750, trying to break the 61,357. Let me remove this one. This one also in play, the test of 67,188, pullback with entry at 63,580. Now something like this, the test of 65,000, pullback with entry at 61,357. But keep in mind, if it falls through support, this one is already tested, then it will probably go back all the way between 43 and 45,000. Then it's not looking good. Then I would aim for the defensive one, entry at 43,205. So 4 potential scenarios for Bitcoin in the coming days. And from Bitcoin, I will go to Harley-Davidson. I've started this one somewhere last year. And as you can see, the entry of $25.53 played out. And if you played this one, you could have had more than 70% profits. Congratulations. I hope you took some profits and increased your stop loss. So very nice. I will add a link of the video in the description so you can check the full analyze if you like. Okay, I will remove it. On the weekly, nice gain. First I want to go to the monthly. On the monthly we see compression, rejection from the previous drop off, and now the price getting compressed. I expect a huge move on the monthly. Okay. So let me add some new scenarios. If the price goes down, then an entry around 22.15, trying to go up from there. And if the price goes up and let's say test around $48, pullback with the entry at 39.86, trying to break the $55. Let me go back to the monthly again. Okay. I'll add 2 more scenarios. If the price fall through support of 22.15, then the entry around 15.42. And if the price goes up very aggressive and let's say break the $55 test 61.17, pullback with entry at 47.55, aiming to break the $61. So 4 potential scenarios for Harley-Davidson Incorporated, and from here I will go to EXPEDIA Group Incorporated. I've charted this one also early this year, and the entry of 106.25 just got front rounded a little bit, but if you played it, the difference is actually $1. Play this entry, you could have had more than 30% profits. So congratulations. I will post the link of the video in the description as well, so you can check it out. So I consider this one as being played. This one fell through support a little lower. This one is activated now. If the price break the 157, pullback with entry at 133. And if the price rejects, then the entry around 94.15. Let me see. And if the price tests the 195 from here, then the pullback with entry at 157, aiming to break the 200. So 3 potential scenarios for EXPEDIA, and from here I will go to Tau USDT. Started this one also somewhere early this year, and the entry here got filled. The 251.80 and about 25% profits here, and the defensive entry at 219 also got filled. That was this trade here, and if you had played this one, you could have had more than 60%. Congratulations. Okay, for now I would like to start with a clean chart, because when I draw this one there was not a lot of price action. Here you can see it, it was the daily. This was the only price we had at the time, and for now I will start with a clean chart. So the weekly, the price went insane, almost hit $800. And it tested here was the first touch of the start of the impulse to the all-time high. Second test, now it's the test of the test. Okay. From the weekly, I will change to the daily. Yeah. Okay. Currently at resistance here. It rejected the 315 so far. Let me change to the 4-hour. Okay. Yeah. We do have we have a gain here on the 4-hour from this drop off. I'll go back to the daily. If you're not in position yet, then this one high risk but still playable. The entry at 259.50. Take profits quick, just below 300. Trying to break the 359. Let's see how much it is. 14%. Then I prefer to see a gain, and let's say maybe a test of the 435. Pullback with the entry between 315 and 359, aiming to break the 500. Let's see how much this is. First target 25% profit, second target 0.45. This one, I prefer this one above this one. It's not worth it. Still playable, but it's not worth it for me. And I will add another one. If it rejects, then I consider the 137 already as played, aggressive at 162. So then I would aim for the entry at 83.90. Trying to go up from there. So 3 potential scenarios for Tau USDT. And from here, I will go to 0 USDT. I've charted this one also early 2024. And the entry of this one, entry at 7.2 cents, got hit and played out. If you took this trade, then you could have had more than 50% profits. And this one, the gain, pullback with the entry at 10.6 cents, also got filled and went only up about 12%, but still profitable. So 2 successful trades here, and I will post the link of the video in the description. Let me remove this for now. And I will go to the weekly. Excuse me for the noise. There's a helicopter above my house flying. So probably something happening over here. And the windows are open because it's very hot in the house. Okay, I will change to the daily. Okay. Let me add some new scenarios. If you're not in position yet, then the entry around 7.9, aiming to break the 10.6 cents here. How much is that? Similar to BITTENSOR, I think. But this one is more playable. About 32% potential profits. And imagine if the price goes up from here. Let's say test 13 cents. Pull back with the entry at 10.6. Aiming for 15 cents. And if price drops, then I would aim for the entry at 5.8 cents. Trying to go up from there. And the most defensive play is the entry at 5 cents. Trying to go up from there. So 4 potential scenarios for 0 USDT. And from here I will go to Ethereum. Starting at the weekly. Red candle. About 6 hours to close today's candle. Okay. Interesting. Probably a weekly loss of this whole range here. And I will change to the daily. And I will make last week's plan visible. So the entry of 2,388, if I mentioned correct, then I've told you last week the entry is somewhere between 2,322 and 388. So if you took position here, then you're already up more than 10%. Probably stopped out. Okay. For now, this one, I'll remove this one. Let me remove the scenarios from last week. Okay, what can we expect for now? Either the price goes up and let's say test around 2,900 pullback with the entry at 2,618, aiming to break the 3,000. Or the price goes up and tests around 3,300, immediately from here pullback with the entry at 2,857, trying to break the 3,484. Oh, let me go back to the weekly. And I need to add some levels. Okay, I will change to the daily. Okay, that's enough for now. If it's gonna test lower, then the entry just under the 2000, probably around 1934, and trying to go up from there. And if it loses support at 1934, then I would aim for entry here at 1733, trying to go up from there. So 4 potential scenarios for Ethereum the coming days. And by the way, I'm on a holiday for the coming 2 weeks. So let me check when I'm back again. Today is 11th. 1, 2. Okay, the next video will probably be on Wednesday, August 28th. Yes, Wednesday, August 28th. So for now, 2 weeks, no new content due to holiday season. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Enjoy your Sunday, enjoy the coming weeks, and see you guys in 2 weeks from here. Cheers, bye bye.